to my kitchen. What's up, Soul Squad and family? We are doing everything wings, okay? We are doing garlic Parmesan wings. Wow, something I got a hiccup. I had nothing. Garlic Parmesan wings. We're doing honey butter garlic wings. And if I have enough wings, I'm going to try to throw in some barbecue wings, okay? Just it's Super Bowl time. Everybody love wings, wings, wings. You can make these at home. You have to run out to buy them. They're quick and easy. Okay, and let's get started. First of all, I am not going naked, and I'm not talking about me. I'm talking about with my wings. We're actually going to coat them with some flour and seasoning, and we're going to coat the chicken with flour and seasoning. So the first thing you're going to need is some flour. I have just about 2 cups of flour here. Well, my basic seasoning, and have me some chicken wings here. They all been cleaned, pat, dried, and everything. Now, with this flour, what I did different is I did add 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and that's just to give the flour like puff your chicken up a little bit, the skin. I got some vegetable oil on the stove cooking. I need to get nice and hot for you guys. And so the first thing we're going to do, we're going to season this chicken. I seasoned the flour, but I'm also going to season the chicken. Okay, you don't have to worry about like flip the chicken over and season it, because one thing about cooking, you got to get in with your hands. Here's a little bit of seasoning salt. And remember, you don't have to use what I use. You can use whatever you use to make your chicken taste great for you and your family. I just give you the guidelines on, you know, what you can use. You know, cooking is all about flavor. That's garlic powder. And I gotta have a little bit of parsley. It is what I do. And I'm just gonna go in with my hands and massage this chicken, guys. And just get all that seasoning all the way on it. And if you want, you can season this chicken the day before, place it in the freezer, a Ziploc bag, stick it in your refrigerator for 24 hours, or even the day of, do it early that morning, and just let it marinate in all its good seasoning. Look at that chicken. So, my grease is getting hot. When you're frying chicken, you're looking at anywhere between 350 with the grease. You want it really, really hot. I don't have a thermometer. I just been cooking for so long, but I do have my stove on a medium high heat. Let me wash my hands, get this chicken in this flour, and we're going to put it in the pan. Okay, guys, my grease is cooking. Now, again, you want a real hot grease. Iron skillet is always a good way to cook chicken if you don't have a deep fry. That's the fast and easy way. So I'm going to take a pinch of this flour. Just a pinch of flour. I'm going to place it in here. If it sizzle up really well, that means that grease is ready. It's ready to go. Or if you have a wooden spoon, you can place your wooden spoon in here upside down, and if it bubble up around your wooden spoon, you know that grease is nice and ready. So we're going to take our chicken. We're going to place it in our flour. Remember, this flour is seasoned. The chicken is also seasoned. And I'm not going to overcrowd my chicken pan just because I do not want the temperature to really, really drop with my chicken. And we're just going to shake it off. And I'm going in. See, that grease was ready, guys. Gonna space them out. Let them cook nice and crunchy. Any excuse to make wings. Any excuse to make wings. You don't need an excuse. Fried chicken is just fried chicken. You love it, right? So, my chicken is cooking. I'm gonna take my tongs, move them over just a little. And I don't want to overcrowd the pan. I gotta get one more right there in that center. That's an empty spot. What's the favorite part of your chicken? When you're doing wingettes. I love the flats. There we go. I'm going to let that cook. Come back. When it's golden brown, time to flip. So guys, it's time to flip this chicken. And this This is the last batch of chicken at that. I cooked it to the last batch. These are wings, party wings, wingettes. Doesn't take long to cook. I'm going to say about a good 7 to 8 minutes to cook these if that grease is boiling nice and hot. Sometimes it's always hard to have that one to stay over. Yeah. If your grease is nice and hot, it doesn't take long to cook these wings, these wingettes. While those are cooking, look, take a look at these ones. I fried all up. I got a big family. Truth be known, that may not be enough. But guess what? It's enough for the video. We're going to let them finish cooking and we'll be right back. Okay, guys. My chicken is finished. Good old fried wing. I say buffalo wings. Okay, so in this pan, I got a stick and a half of butter, unsalted butter that's melted. Because we're making Parmesan. And I'm going in with 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. Ooh, that garlic is so strong. And I just had to drop it on my top on the floor. I'm going in with a sprinkle of parsley flakes. And my Parmesan cheese. Where's my Parmesan cheese? Let me stir this up just a little. Now, I'm going to pull just a tiny bit of this out. I'm going to let that just stir up real quick for that olive oil, for that butter to get up in there. But hand me that clear bowl behind you. That clear one on top. Because I'm going to share this butter sauce with some honey. Because I'm making honey garlic too. And Parmesan garlic. And we're going to see if we just got enough that we could probably get some barbecue. So I'm just going to pull half of this with that garlic. I want it for the honey. And I'm going to sit right there. Now, I'm going to take some Parmesan cheese. This is freshly grated. Not that much. Maybe 4 tablespoons, because I don't have that much butter in there. I'm just going to stir it up. Look at that. That looks awesome. I'm going to let it bubble for a few minutes. Because while that's bubbling, and let that sit, I'm going to remove some of my chicken from over here. Yes, don't what it do. Okay, put some chicken over here in this tray, a couple of pieces. And remember, I want to use some for barbecue and honey. So that's all I'm going to use for now. And I'm going to stir this up. I'm about to cut the stove off. And this is it right here. My butter. Oh, you can smell the melted cheese on that. You can smell the cheese on this. Oh my goodness. And we're just going to move it around on here. Oh, it's so sticky. And you're getting the cheese. I'm going to use the tongues for this. Just move it around on top of there. Might say, ooh, that don't look right. Yes, it will. Look at that. And you can use a little bit more if you want. Trying to get that butter all over there. Look at that. Just make sure they're all nice and shiny. So, at this point, you just want to take a little bit of cheese. Sprinkle on top of there. With some of your parsley flakes. And we're going to sit this to the side because we're going to plate it all. Look at that. That looks so wonderful. I'm going to sit this to the side. Be right back. Ha ha. So, got this right here. That butter and that garlic. I want to go in with about maybe 3 tablespoons of honey. Yep. And I'm going to stir it up. Look, stir it up. Stir it up. Guess what? This is going on my fried chicken. This is garlic honey butter. Make that chicken so sweet and sticky and tasty and ooh. And look at that. That's all you have to do. Take some more of this chicken. Place it over here. Remember, I'm doing 3, and I think I could pretty much make it. What about 3? And just pull this. And it's just the honey and garlic. I think I had more of the butter over here for this than I did with my Parmesan, but that's okay. And it's so nice and sticky. Take them tongs, you know, just move it around in there. Getting that garlic, that honey, all over this chicken. Nice and sticky. Look at that. And we'll be right back with the last piece I'm going to do, which is going to be the honey barbecue. Be right back. Okay, guys, so right here I have about a cup of barbecue sauce, your favorite barbecue sauce, or maybe homemade. I have in there a tablespoon of honey, a teaspoon of garlic powder, not garlic powder, I'm sorry, teaspoon of minced garlic, a teaspoon of onion powder, and 2 teaspoons of parsley flakes. And I'm stirring that all up in there. And just let it get hot just a little bit. And this is going on top of my chicken. Just a few minutes. It don't even have to get that hot. Because guess what? We're brushing it on. It's going in the oven. All that garlic and honey and onion powder and all that. And you're going to stick these in the oven, guys, for about 15 minutes. You want that barbecue sauce just to get all over everything. Who cannot have enough of wings? Wings, everything. My children better enjoy this because nobody I love is in the Super Bowl. I'm not having a Super Bowl party, so they get their pre-Super Bowl snacks before everybody else. So I'm going to flip it. I'm going to coat both sides, guys. And then I'm going to put this in the oven for 15 minutes. We back to plate it. Okay, guys, we're about to plate our wings. I already started plating the Parmesan, the garlic Parmesan. Sprinkle a little bit of garlic, Parmesan on top of it. Looks so good. And let's look at these wings. They bake for 15 minutes. We're going to plate those right in the middle, one at a time. Then we're going to plate that honey. And then anybody say wings, 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 wings? Ooh, somebody looking at my video in the house. It looks like I made more barbecue wings than anything, huh, guys? Ooh, get that over there. Yeah, so this is a quick, easy recipe. I hope your family enjoyed this. I know mine's going to enjoy it tonight. They like house smell good. They can't wait. Now, I want to use something different to put my, this is going to go in with my hand. My family, my house. I didn't want the barbecue sauce to get on there. So, look at that honey sitting in that butter. And that honey, come on, guys. And garlic. And shiny. Yeah. Yeah, just remember you can watch me on Roku television. If you can't get me here on YouTube, all my videos, same videos are available on Roku TV. You can get me there. Yeah. Tell me that don't look good. Tell me they're not going to eat tonight. I just don't know. You guys know I like that green. And I'm not just talking about that. Like green money too. There you go. Wings on wings on wings. All day long. Now tell me about that, guys. That look awesome. That looks so awesome. Look, I'm grabbing the paper towel to clean up my counter. So yeah, so like, share, tell your friends what I'm doing here on SoulfulT. I hope you guys enjoy these recipes that I give to you and your family. Until next video, I am out. Don't forget Roku TV. I got my back door open. Real life going on here, right? Roku TV, April's be available. Coming in late February. And also don't forget about my cookbook is still available. You get the ebook on Amazon. Yeah, guys. Super Bowl.